So everybody in the RC hobby needs a good glue. We've all needed it at some point, but there are so many out there, which one is any good? And obviously the epoxies, the Araldite, I think it's called, are used quite often, but sometimes people just need a quick super glue. And I was actually advised to get these. They are apparently very, very good. Now, they are Oily Glue, which is glue, but it's supposed to mean that you're not going to stick your fingers together. And if you've seen any of my other videos where I've used glue, I get my fingers stuck together more often than actually sticking the items together. So that we will see at the end of the video, whether that's possible and whether I need to go to the hospital to get my fingers unstuck. So this is Welding High Strength Oily Glue, and you're watching John Robinson RC. So how much does this cost? Well, all four of these cost me $14.99 US, which I didn't think was too bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to do wood to wood, plastic to plastic, this plastic to this plastic. We're going to do metal to metal, then we're going to do metal to wood, metal to plastic, and then I thought I'd see whether it eats up these plastic shells by sticking them together and see how strong it is. I cannot believe the gas man is coming around with their horn again. What's going on? Do they literally just wait until I hit record? Right, okay. So, they do come with one of these, which as you can see is a very, very, very thin item. But I assume that as soon as you've used this once, it's useless because you'd have glue all in there and whatnot. So I won't be using that today. So you can see that I have used this, but I'm not going to tell you what the results were. You can see yourself now. I'm going to let all of these dry for a couple of hours just to give them a super glue. It should dry very quickly. I think it's like 5 minutes, but I'll give them a long chance to dry. So metal, metal. Nice. So we have the wood to metal. Let's give it a nice, there you go. And then we'll do it on the flatter part of the plastic here. Let's see if this melts away the plastic to start with. Nope. And then put it in. Stick it together. I don't suppose I've got a peg laying around. I'm going to wait to do my finger test to the end. That's it. We wait. I will be back in a couple of hours. See you soon. Well, welcome back. It's been a couple of hours. As you see, I've got 2 new ones of these. Just want to see how quickly they do actually glue. If it's as quick as what I think, I didn't need to wait 2 hours, right? But better to be safe than sorry, isn't it? So, okay, let's see how we go down. Metal, metal. Ooh, not good. Plastic, plastic. Ooh. I'm seeing a trend here, ladies and gents. Oh, so that's how you get the paint off. And I think the only reason that this wouldn't come off is because I can't get the leverage on it. But right, so if you were advised to get this glue, I suggest you don't. It's not very good, ladies and gents. And I suppose you now want to see me glue myself. Well, why would you want that? Because at the end of the day, you're not going to buy this now, are you? Look at that. Mind you, is it going to glue my fingers together if it can't glue everything else together? I would say no. I mean, there's definitely a layer there, but all right. The only reason I'm buying glue, let's be honest, is for my RC. And if it doesn't work on anything RC, then the glue's useless to me. So if you're advised to buy some of this by some people on the internet, Facebook, you know who you are, then save your money. Shock. I actually thought at least a couple of these would hold, and none of them have. I mean, even the plastic, you'd have thought it would have like stuck itself together and melted a little bit, but nothing. Oh, right, it's rubbish. Save your money, ladies and gents. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you next time. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.